To begin, make a 0.01 solution of sulfuric acid using 0.05 milliliters of sulfuric acid. Continue making the solution by pouring out 99.5 milliliters of water. Pour both into a 250 milliliter beaker. Pour out 100 milliliters of sample water. For this case, we are using seltzer water. This is what will be titrated during this experiment. Pour these 100 milliliters into a 250 milliliter Erlenmeyer flask. Set up that titration by pouring the sulfuric acid into a burette. Place the burette over the Erlenmeyer flask with the sample water. To begin the titration, put in a few drops of phenolphthalein. If the water remains clear, that means there are no bicarbonates present. Because the water is still clear, we will be putting in a second indicator of methyl orange. This will turn the water solution an orange color. Once the water becomes a darker orange, then the water has been successfully titrated. Record the amount of milliliters it took to get to this point. For the fecal coliform procedure, take a cotton swab of the sample of water. Then take this cotton swab and rub it back and forth in a zigzag pattern on the agar plate. Then cover up the agar plate and place parafilm around it. Put it into an incubator for a few days. Once a few days is up, count the number of colonies that have grown in that time.